So it absolutely amazes me how everyone is so fucking bullish right now. I mean, every bear sign is there, guys. The market could fall the fuck out tonight, tomorrow night. I mean, by Monday, we could have NASDAQ down by 2,000 points from current levels. And yet, anywhere you look at as far as media concerned, everybody's so fucking bullish, which actually creates perfect conditions for you to buy options dirt cheap on the put side. Because when the market will be collapsing over the course of the next 24 to 96 hours, everybody's going to want to buy puts, but it's going to be too late to buy fucking puts. So let's just put some things in perspective, okay? People are looking at the market drop in pre-market, and then it bounces throughout the day, and people are like, oh yeah, it's a bull market. Are you out of your fucking mind? Okay, the only people that could be thinking that are people that are just looking at maybe 1 day, 1 minute chart. They only focused on, oh, well, look, it's going higher right now. It don't fucking matter whether it's going high right now or not. Let's take a step back and actually see what has transpired over the course of last 7 trading sessions. So last week, last 3 trading sessions, NASDAQ drops 900 points. Is that a fact? That's a fucking fact. Okay, in last 2 trading days, NASDAQ goes higher by 200 points. So we go down 900 and then we bounce 200 points. Is that bullish? That is absolutely fucking bearish, because at this point, it is a full-blown bear reversal. And what you do is you short those bounces. So 200 point, I mean, you're saying NASDAQ drops and all of a sudden, nobody actually wants to buy it? Why would that be? I mean, and imagine this. That is despite of the fact that some of the key stocks are up big, like bullshit Apple, which will collapse 30% over the next 2 weeks. Okay, Apple is up from 220 to 230. Okay, within the same time frame that NASDAQ actually goes up by 200 points in the last 2 trading sessions, okay? So we're in a situation where you have big, heavy names are actually going up. Okay, clearly Tesla is up, sure. Okay, you got Meta. Meta is total dog shit. That shit's going to collapse. That's a given. Okay, you got ahead of the earnings, they're trying to scoop up some blind NVIDIA people. I mean, they're blind as hell. I mean, all they need to do is look at the SMCI chart to see what's about to happen to NVIDIA. I'm not saying NVIDIA is going to go down to $24, $28. I'm just saying NVIDIA is about to fucking drop. So a lot of market participants are waiting to see, well, what's going to happen with the NVIDIA. Guess what? Come tomorrow morning, November 20th, Tesla is going to report, NVIDIA is going to report earnings after hours. Some people are not going to wait till NVIDIA reports. Some people are just going to dump it in the morning. Some people are going to dump it today into the close of the trading session on November 19th. Okay, Bitcoin is a blow off top, fucking 94K. We've posted videos telling you, look, it's a fucking top. This shit is about to reverse to the downside like you've never seen it in your lifetime. And yet you got people on CNBC and Bloomberg who are like, man, yeah, this is a dip you want to buy. This is the time to, this is the time to be bullish. The Trump trade is going to continue. Man, there's so many motherfucking divergences in the market. You are absolutely fucking blind if you think this market is going to go higher. This is probably one of the greatest mispriced opportunities in stock market history. You have so much bear signs everywhere, and yet people are still so fucking bullish. This is as perfect of a divergence as it gets. And if you don't take advantage of it as a trader, guys, you're going to be looking back at this moment, November 19th through, let's say, November 19th. By Monday, November 25th, NASDAQ could be down by 2,000 points, guys. I mean, it could easily happen. Like, people were thinking I was nuts by saying, oh, NASDAQ was going to drop 500 points, last Thursday. Well, it didn't drop 500 points on Thursday. It dropped 200 points on Thursday, and then it dropped 600 fucking points the day after on Friday. So it was a total of 800 points. So apparently I was a little conservative. And maybe I could be a little bit conservative on my estimate that NASDAQ could collapse by 2,000 points. But we will see. I mean, there's a high probability that a lot of shit is about to make a bear reversal. There's too many signs that cannot be ignored, guys. So that's why you come to 13 Market Moves, because every day, if you're part of the group or you're training with a coach here, you were told there is a highly bearish sequence development, okay? 6, 3, 11, okay? We're getting another possibility of almost 6 today going into the trade now or the session, guys. And if that happens, we're guaranteed to move 3, which means the market is going to gap the fuck down tomorrow, and it's going to gap down the day after that, and it's going to gap down again. You're talking about market gapping down 3 days in a row. Now, that is something that nobody fucking expects right now. Nobody. And that's why the options are not reflecting. Not 100% of fucking people are bullish out there. So you get to buy these options for pennies in relation to the size of the move that could be transpiring here, like over the next few trading sessions. Guys, this is a holy grail. I mean, if you missed that, damn it. I mean, this is just sad. But I don't want you to miss it. That's why I'm recording this message on November 19th before this huge drop is going to be taking place. So, guys, so you could trade it with a 13 Market Moves coach. So you could get in ahead of this drop. You got to get in touch with us by going to 13mmtv.com or 13marketmoves.com, guys. You got to do it right now. Otherwise, you're going to be missing on a 50x trade, 80x trade, 100x trade. They're happening now. Your entry is today. Your entry is today, okay? So hurry. Get in touch with us. This is going to be a colossal market fallout by a magnitude of 2,000 points of NASDAQ by Monday. I mean, that would probably put S&P 500 by 400-500 points fucking lower. Nobody's seeing that right now. Nobody's expecting it. And yet, there's just such high evidence when you look at the charts. It's got such a high probability of happening. Anyway, guys, you can do whatever the fuck you want with this information. If I was listening to this right now, I would get in touch with 13 Market Moves and I'd place the trade right now. I wouldn't fucking wait.